These are the 10 hottest beauty products right now. So the first one is Rare Beauty, and it's basically Rare Beauty anything. I've got a couple of Rare Beauty bits that I can kind of talk to you about and give you a little bit of a review on. Obviously I've not tried everything, but these are a few of the things that I've tried and what I think about them. So first, the Rare Beauty Concealer. I absolutely love this. I use this all the time, especially for my under eyes. I find that it's not too cakey, but it does also give really good coverage. I love the packaging. I just feel like this is a really good under eye concealer. I also have a Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. This one is in Come to Play. Again, I really like this. I find the colours really good. I read a review saying they're very much like the Dior eyeshadow palettes, and I would definitely agree with that. I feel like they are the same quality. It's really dark, but actually when you put it on, it really blends well into the skin. It doesn't look too dark or too harsh. They're really great colours. Then also another product I really like from Rare Beauty is their blush. Again, you don't need much of this at all. You can just put one tiny little drop on each cheek and they just blend in so well. So out of all the products that I've used out of Rare Beauty, I actually really like all of them, and I definitely recommend testing a few of them out yourself. The next beauty product everyone is talking about is the Dior Lip Glow Oils. I've had this one for a long time now, and to be honest, I don't use it that often because I prefer more of like a matte lip look. But again, it's a really good option if you're into your kind of lip glosses and things like that. This just seems to be super popular. It used to always sell out really quickly. I'm not sure if it still does. Again, I'll link it below. But if you are someone that likes a more glossy lip, this would be a really good option. Perfume wise, Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc. I probably haven't pronounced that very well, but you guys know what I mean. This is a really popular perfume at the moment. It's such a nice summery scent, so I definitely recommend it for this time of year. It has such a nice summery, luxurious smell to it. I'll leave the notes either somewhere on this video, or you can check out the link below and it will go into depth about all the different kind of notes so you can get a bit more of a feel of what it would smell like. But I feel like with perfumes, especially with perfume reviews, you just have to go out and smell it yourself in the shops, because that's when you know if you feel like it's a bit of you or not, basically. So on fragrances, Maison Coeur de Jeanne have always been super popular, especially on places like TikTok. I actually have 3 because I'm quite a big fan, and they also have been like gifted to me as birthday and Christmas presents in the past. So class as the classic one that I feel like most people have heard of before is the Baccarat Rouge 540. This is such a nice scent. It really is so classy and sophisticated, and I feel like it also works really well for day and night. It's just the perfect all-rounder. The only thing is it's super popular, so again, I feel like it always sells out, and also you might find quite a few other people have this scent as well already. So I wouldn't say it was super unique at the moment, but if you want one that you know everyone is gonna love and it's just a great scent, it would be this one. I also have Maison Coeur de Jeanne's Grand Soir. This I would say is a lot more of an evening scent. It's very kind of nighttime-ish is the best way to explain it. Luxurious and expensive smelling again. And then my actual favourite one out of the collection is the Gentle Fluidity. This one is just so light, but it still has a very luxurious kind of scent to it, but it's not quite as strong, I would say, as the 541. So if you're looking for one that's a little bit different but still from the collection, I would definitely recommend this one. This one is my favourite at the moment. The next product that is really popular at the moment is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I've been testing this out for a little while now, and I actually really like it. I just put it out on the corner of my eyes and then on the underneath of my eyes, and I really do feel like it helps to brighten them, and hopefully it helps prevent kind of any aging and stuff as well. So I would definitely recommend this. I just have a little pot of this. Like I said, I thought I would just try it out first and see what I think, but I would definitely repurchase this. It's just a great eye cream to put on. It's not too heavy, it doesn't feel too sticky or anything like that. Another super popular product at the moment, but I don't have it to show you unfortunately, is the Drunk Elephant Bronzing Drops. I will leave a photo of what it looks like somewhere in this video and in the description box, but that is super popular, and a lot of the Drunk Elephant products are really popular at the moment too, especially for their skincare. I think it's just the overall look of them, and they're meant to be really good as well. So if you're looking for something different to try, maybe check those out. Another product that is super popular that I would really recommend for summer is the Supergoop Unseen sunscreen, and this really is unseen. I really like this. I've been testing it out for a little while again, and I'm definitely going to be buying the bigger version. It's just so light, it doesn't feel too sticky on your face. I hate the sticky feeling of sun cream, especially on my face. I feel like it always breaks me out. This doesn't do that, and I feel like you can really apply makeup really well over the top of it as well. It's a really great sunscreen for your face, so I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a non-sticky one. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finishing Powder is such a popular one at the moment, and I really love it as well. I've been applying this just before I put my bronzer on over the top, and I feel like it just really smooths everything out and makes it look really kind of airbrushed and finished basically. I don't find it comes out too heavy or too powdery or cakey again, which I really like about it. It's just a very light finish, but it really does smooth everything out. Soleil de Janeiro products are super popular at the moment. Everything from their fragrances to their creams, they just smell absolutely amazing. If you haven't smelled any of their products yet, definitely do, because they're just so nice. Such a nice summery light smell, and I feel like if you're just wanting like a scented moisturizer, these would work really well. And then finally, oils. Everyone is obsessed with oils at the moment, so one that I tend to use is the Nux or Nux, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's just a kind of multi-purpose one which you can use on your hair, your body, anywhere you feel like you want to add a bit of oil. And I especially love the kind of glittery version. I'll leave that down below as well. Again, these are super fragranced. If you don't like a fragranced oil, this probably wouldn't be for you, but if you do like that, definitely check out these. They smell so nice too. Let me know what products are your favorite down in the comments, if you have any of these that you maybe like and also recommend, or different ones as well, because I'd love to try them out. Let me know your thoughts too in the comments, and I will speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.